this question, the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air in parts per million is given and the data is given for 30 days. And what we have to do in this question, we have to make a grouped frequency table for the given data with class interval 0.00 to 0.04 and 0.04 to 0.08 and so on. So first of all, we will find out the least value in the group. So you can easily see that which one is the least value. This is 0.01. After that 0.22. So you will make the intervals here in this column. So first interval you will take 0.00 to 0.04. This is already given. You have to make with this intervals. So you will make the class size 0.04 to 0.08, then 0.08 to 0.12, then 0.12 to 0.16 and so on. So students, you can easily see that the last value is 0.22. So after this interval you need not to take any class interval, and here the total will come. Now we will do the tally. So our first value is 0.03. So put a vertical bar in this class. Then after that next is 0.08. These two values are there. So here you can see that 0.08 in this also and in the next class also. But we will not take as upper class limit. We will take in the lower class limit. Means third one class we will take this value. After that 0.09 will also come in this. Then 0.04 will come in the second group. In this way we will arrange these numbers. We will tally the record. Okay, so you can do in this way for all the columns. Now you can count and write the number of days. These are 4, then again 9, and then 9, and then 2, 4 and 2. So you can count these total number of days, and when you will add all these, so you will get the total as 30. So our calculation is right. After that we have made the arrangement. Now we will move to the next part. For how many days was the concentration of sulfur dioxide more than 0.11 parts per million? आपको बताना है कि कितने दिनों के लिए ये जो डाटा है 0.11 ppm से मोर था. So you can move to this table and see that this interval is 0.08 to 0.12. But we have to take the values more than 0.11. So we will not take these three intervals. These upper three intervals we can't take. We will take only these three intervals, 0.12 to 0.24. Okay, so you can count the number of days, and here what your answer will come. Here 8 days will come. So for 8 days its ppm is more than 0.11. You can write the answer.